So I have here a clipper and trimmer set, and honestly, I don't know which ones are the clippers and which ones are the trimmers. I don't know that. All I know is that I don't have enough hair to really use this one, so I'm just gonna be focusing on this one right here. Although this one here does look like a nice trimmer or clipper, whichever one it is, because I've used some of these before, and you can tell that this is just a nice quality. It's got metal for the top part where it's going to trim or clip. And all this is a heavy plastic here, and it's got some weight to it too. This is not a cheap tool here. It does have adjustable top there, so you can see how it adjusts. And when you turn it on, you can see the battery power left remaining there, and it charges up via USB-C. And you have various attachments there for it, so you have various lengths there. But I'm going to focus on this one because I do have a beard, and I need to trim the mustache of my beard. So I'm going to use this. And once again, that's what the top looks like. I'm guessing this one's called the trimmer. The other one's the clippers. So looks precise enough that I should be able to get a good precise trim on my mustache. Once again, power button will show the power left. And it does have variable speeds there, so that's good. And once again, it does charge on the bottom via USB-C. So we're going to try this on my mustache and see how it works. Looks pretty good to me. So I'm always super careful about not trimming too much off because I definitely don't want to accidentally trim off too much of my mustache and then have to start over. But with this, I was able to get a nice, precise trim, pretty much exactly where I wanted it. So that's good. And this is what they look like afterwards. Really easy to rinse off. You're just gonna rinse it off under the sink, and all those stray hairs are gone. So yeah, works good. And looks like I only used 1%, so this should last me 100 trims of my mustache. So yeah, if you need a trimmer and clipper set, this looks like a good value, so I do recommend it.